Today, we are diving into the inspiring story of a true heroine of Indian independence, Aruna Asaf Ali. Known as the Grand Old Lady of Indian independence, Aruna played a pivotal role in India's struggle for freedom. Let's explore her remarkable journey. Aruna Asaf Ali was born on July 16, 1909 in the vibrant town of Kalka, Punjab. Raised by her mother Ambalika Devi, a key figure in social reform, Aruna was destined for greatness. After studying at All Saints College in Nainital, she met Asaf Ali while teaching in Calcutta. Despite family resistance, their union was powerful partnership in the fight for freedom. Aruna's fearless activism took center stage during the Salt Satyagraha. She was swiftly arrested, but even the Gandhi-Irwin Pact of 1931, which freed many activists, couldn't keep her out of the fight. It took immense pressure from her fellow freedom fighters and Gandhi himself to secure her release. As the Quit India movement surged in 1942, Aruna Asaf Ali emerged as a beacon of resistance. With top leaders behind bars, she defiantly unfurled the Congress flag at Gwalior Tank Maidan, signaling the movement's bold resurgence. Undeterred by police violence and an arrest warrant, Aruna continued her activism in hiding, editing the revolutionary magazine Inqilab and rallying support. Her courage was so formidable that the British even placed a reward on her head. She stayed out of sight until 1946, when the arrest warrant was finally withdrawn. After India's independence, Aruna's impact didn't fade. She joined the Communist Party of India and played a pivotal role in founding the National Federation of Indian Women in 1954. Her leadership continued as she became Delhi's first female mayor in 1958. Aruna Asaf Ali passed away on July 29, 1996, leaving behind a legacy of courage and commitment. Her contributions were honored with the Padma Vibhushan in 1992 and the Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1997. The Dr. Aruna Asaf Ali Sadbhavan Award is now presented annually in her name. Aruna Asaf Ali's legacy is a shining example of fearless dedication and unyielding spirit. Her story continues to inspire us all. Thank you for joining us in celebrating her extraordinary journey.